So, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for surface area and volume of a sphere. Problem: imagine a perfectly round ball with a radius of 7 cm. Can you find its surface area and volume? So, in order to solve for the surface area of a sphere, we'll be using the formula surface area equals 4 times pi times r squared. So copy the 4 and pi, and since the radius is 7 cm, we're gonna put 7 cm. And then squared. Copy the 4 and pi, and then the result of 7 cm times 7 cm is equals to 49 cm squared. Now multiply 4 times pi, which is equivalent to 3.14 times 49 cm squared. So the result is 615.75 cm squared. So now let's move on to the solving of volume. So in order to solve for the volume of sphere, we'll be using the formula volume of sphere equals 4/3 times pi r cubed. So copy 4/3 and pi. Since the radius is 7 cm, we're gonna put 7 cm and then cube. Copy 4/3 and pi times 7 cm times 7 cm times 7 cm, which is equals to 343 cm cube. Now multiply 4/3 times pi, which is equivalent to 3.14 times 343 cm cube. The result is 1436.51 cm cube. So the surface area of the sphere is 615.75 cm squared, while the volume of the sphere is 1436.51 cm cube.